Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Shiv Sena UBT faction chief Uddhav Thackeray is likely to skip the opposition India bloc meeting in Delhi today, a party leader said a day after the Mahavikas Aghadi, the MV alliance in Maharashtra, pulled off a commendable performance by winning 30 of the 48 Lok Sabha seats in the state, that is in Maharashtra. Shiv Sena UBT faction leaders Sanjay Raut, Anil Desai and Arvind Sawant will attend the meeting on the behalf of Uddhav Thackeray. While on the other hand, Uddhav is keen on staking claim to form a government at the centre and is holding talks with several opposition leaders, including that of Trinamool Congress chief Mamata Banerjee, also CM of West Bengal. The Shiv Sena UBT leader said. He added that Uddhav will only go to Delhi if there is any positive development or discussion or substantial development in this regard. He further said, and I quote, Uddhav ji has spoken to several leaders over the phone, including Mamata ji, and is making an effort to form a government by uniting the opposition parties and those leaders who were troubled by the BJP. Our representatives are already attending the meeting, and if discussions are positive, only then will Uddhav go to Delhi, a Shiv Sena leader of the UBT faction said on Wednesday. While on the Tuesday, when the votes were counted after the results showed that BJP would need support of its allies to form a government, Uddhav had said that opposition India bloc should stake the claim. He said, and I quote, the India bloc must stake claim to form the government. I will be going to the India bloc meeting in Delhi. Sanjay Raut, Anil Desai and Arvind Sawant will also go to Delhi. We will decide who the PM candidate will be to form the India bloc at the meeting. When we made the India bloc, we did not make it to become the Prime Minister. We came together to end the dictatorship and save the constitution. We will decide the PM candidate for the India bloc during the meeting. Uddhav Thackeray had said this on Tuesday, but today he is likely to miss the meeting, which is going to happen at Kharge's residence in Delhi. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena UBT faction MP Sanjay Raut said that it was up to Telugu Desam Party chief Chandrababu Naidu and Janata Dal United Supremo Nitish Kumar to decide that if they wish to join the autocratic government, that is BJP. He further said that I don't think Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar will join the BJP, but it is up for them to decide, Raut said. While with the Bharatiya Janata Party requiring the support of its allies to form the government, both Naidu and Kumar will attend a National Democratic Alliance meeting in Delhi, which is likely to be held at 7 p.m. today at the BJP headquarters in Delhi. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.